Hey guys, it's me, Fossum. I just wanted to pop on. Thus far, you guys have done a really good job with your posting. I really enjoyed your reflections. I can tell you guys took some really great notes last class, and I really look forward to seeing you guys again this week. So I just wanted to make sure that we're all on the same page as far as Canvas. You want to make sure that you have home sort of selected for Canvas. That way it has the modules organized really clearly. So please make sure that you're starting from the home page. If you hit assignments, it just kind of shows them and sort of does some funky stuff with that. So you want to make sure that you move through the modules, from one page to the next, right? So very specifically, always kind of hitting the next button. You have due dates up at the top. You have the amount of points. For your reading responses, your initial post has a certain due date, and then your peer response has a second due date. And most of you really nailed that. Your readings will always be up here. Usually you have a complete before the reading section, a complete after reading section, and then your peer response, so how you're going to reply to your peers. Now the trick is that you can't see anyone's post until you've created your initial post. So all the replies will be invisible until you have replied to the discussion post, right? And it kind of says so right here at the bottom, okay? If you kind of skip, it just says this because I don't have a Turnitin account because I don't count. A lot of you have already turned in your paragraphs. Please be looking at my feedback, right? So for all of your paragraphs, I'm writing some feedback in there. I'm still working on grading them, but I'm writing feedback, and you need to take a look at that so that you can take that feedback and apply it to your next writing assignment. So please make sure you're checking that out. Make sure that you print this out for tonight, right? You need to make sure that you have printed out the prompt so that we can talk about it. And each week will kind of go just like that, all right? Let me know if you have questions. I've had a couple of you kind of pop in, which was really nice. But other than that, I will see you tonight. Take care.